Accessorizing your ute has never been easier. As you can see with these two utes beside me, the Load-Rack Pro is set up with a range of accessories. Let's take a look. Starting with the LDV T60, here you can see our Load-Rack Pro mounted on a HSP Roll R cover. The first thing I want to note is the rooftop tent. So with the rooftop tent, here we have the Dachi Intrepida. The Load-Rack Pro is perfect for rooftop tents, super easy to install, great for U-bolts and other brackets, and it allows for a wide range of rooftop tents. With the Load-Rack Pro being fully adjustable, it allows you to have your rooftop tent at your ideal height, whether it's nice and low underneath your cabin height or high to meet your roof racks or any of your platforms on your roofs as well. Now we've designed these universal channels to suit all major accessory brands, including Rhino-Rack, Yakima and Thule. They're located on the top bars as well as the joiner bars. If you have a look here, we have the Rhino-Rack Stowit. Now the Stowit is perfect for holding shovels or axes and a wide range of other accessories. So now moving across to the Ford Next Gen Raptor, we have our Maxtrax on the side here. Now these are super simple to install, they look great and super functional when you're out on the tracks. Now finally we have our Rotopax on the side here. Again, super simple to install. They come in a wide range of applications for fuel or for water and a whole bunch of different colors. These look great, but they're also fantastic when you're off the track and really easy to fill up on the go. So there you have it. That's just a few ways you can accessorize your HSP Load-Rack Pro. To inquire now, head to our website or give us a call at 1300 441 498.